Hey people, so we are at this place called Fresh Cut, which is in Begumpet, and I have these two very close friends with me. I mean,
We just met, but I think
and we are like bonding. So this place is it's near Lifestyle, and this is Suhani. She was with me in one of my other videos, and I
hey everybody.
and I actually had, and this is Surela. So,
Sorry.
yeah,
This is me, my secret.
correct. No, it's so cute. The videos that are recorded outside and with friends and all, they get maximum views compared to the ones that, you know, a video that I recorded as of last week, 2 weeks ago, has crossed 100 views. You know, so how do you find this place?
I find this place awesome. It's very small, small get together with friends. And it has a very youthful vibe.
Vibe, correct. I mean, it's very different compared to, so it's quite a long video we are making, and so that's what I guess. Normally, most of my videos are very short. So yeah, it's already 2 minutes long. A lot of background noise. So
All the juices and ice cream that are kept up for us.
yeah, correct.
That's
So
distraction.
yes.
And
No,
we're
no.
also having some very nice stuff.
And-
Amrita's and Suhani's is trending.
Yeah.
And mine is cold coffee.
And the cutest thing is, one of my journalist friends told me that in today's world on YouTube, everything is very neatly edited thing. So to find an impromptu videos like this, in itself is cute. I mean, you know? Yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.